Hello friends, welcome back to our YouTube channel. In this video, we will take a look on 10 best kadai that you can currently buy in India. But before we start the video, if you are new to our YouTube channel, consider subscribing our channel and turn on that notification bell so that you won't miss our future videos. Also, if you are watching this video sometime later and want to check the current latest best kadai that you can buy, do check our website. The link is given in the video description below. We keep updating our website on a regular basis, so there you will always find the best and latest kadai that are currently available in the market. Also, the prices of these kadai may change in future, so if you want to check the current prices of these kadai, the links are given in the video description below. Now let's get started with the video. The first one in our list is a non-stick kadai from Hawkins Futura. It's one of the best non-stick kadai that you can buy currently in India. It comes with a rounded bottom that makes it suitable for deep frying. It has got the high quality non-stick coating that is made in Germany, which is locked firmly into the tough, hard anodized surface. Its non-stick coating is really good. Do note that most of these kadai that we are showing here comes in different sizes, so you can choose the size as per your needs and requirements. The next one is a hard anodized kadai, again from Hawkins Futura. It has got a flat bottom for stability and has curved sides suitable for deep frying as well as stir frying. It does comes in different sizes as well. The next one is Prestige Omega Deluxe Granite Kadai. It's a 5-layered non-stick cookware series from Prestige, which is made using German technology, and it lasts longer than any ordinary non-stick cookware. Its specially coated surface looks new for a longer period of time. It has got an excellent quality and design. If you are looking for a stainless steel kadai for many health benefits, there is this Vinod Platinum Triply Stainless Steel Kadai that comes with lid. It is a stainless steel kadai that has got the integrated layer of aluminium, which helps in faster cooking and in efficient heat retention. The next one in our list is another hard anodized kadai from Wonder Chef. It comes with a flat bottom for increased stability with deep curve and rounded sides that ensures better heat retention and distribution. If you are looking for a cast iron kadai, you can choose the one from the Dynamic Cookwares. It's a 10-inch kadai that comes with smooth cooking surface. This kadai has got a really heavy design for even heat distribution and effortless cooking. If you are looking for another option in stainless steel, you can get Prestige Stainless Steel Kadai. It has got 3-layer design which is strong and durable. It is both gas and induction cooktop compatible. This kadai can be used for both deep frying as well as stir frying. The next in our list is Butterfly Cordial Non-Stick Aluminium Kadai. It also comes with lid. This kadai is made for long-lasting durability. It has got the hard anodized aluminium construction for fast, even heating throughout the entire pan. Also, it has got a good quality non-stick coating that will last longer. If you are looking for another option in cast iron, you can buy the Indus Valley Cast Iron Kadai. The cast iron kadai are good for cooking as it has got many health benefits. But do note that it requires a bit of care and maintenance. Now the last one in our list is, if you are looking for an affordable option, you can go with Amazon brand Solimo Stainless Steel Kadai. It's very affordable and yet very reliable and convenient for cooking. So these were the 10 best kadai that we recommend. For our updated list of best kadai that you can currently buy, do check our website. The link is given in the description below. See you in our next video. If you have still not subscribed our channel, consider subscribing now and turn on that bell icon so that you won't miss our future videos. Thank you.